Here we are, back at it. Woo! We're here on Chiquito Trail to Chiquito Falls. Chiquito. Very exciting. Learning how to walk. And yeah, this so far is gorgeous. Okay.
You're gorgeous.
You're gorgeous. All right. Have fun. Okay, we're coming up on some real beautiful stuff here. Just want to make sure you can see it. Here we go. Cool. Extreme. Wow, look at that. So pretty. What do you think, Sarah?
This is absolutely beautiful, and we're just getting started.
What a cool trail.
It's a great trail so far. However, we are still going down.
We've been going down the whole time, which kind of is like scary, because down means up, really.
Just don't look, Jaymee.
I'm not looking. Don't look.
Okay.
Okay, we're getting into it now. But look at this view. I mean, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. What do you think?
I think it's fantastic.
Unbelievable?
It's unbelievable.
I think so.
Bibs.
Okay. Whoa.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow. The rainbow.
had a refreshing dip in the crossover here, crossing the puddle. Here we are.
Hi, Jaymee Pool.
Hello.
How are you?
Well,
Are you enjoying your lunch? Is this your favorite lunch spot ever?
it's the most beautiful place. Like, this is gorgeous.
It's a great hike.
Amazing hike. Not too hard, not too easy. Like, just perfect, really.
Yeah, check out our view. This is our
Not too long.
little lunch spot for. Got a little swimming hole down there. Got this beautiful waterfall. Hello. Yeah, it's a perfect hike. We're gonna go hit a loop on the way back, so we got a little lollipop hike going.
Catch us in our bikinis in a couple months coming here. This is a perfect water spot.
It's the perfect spot ever. We love it. We're not gonna tell you where it is right now, but you can ask us if you really want to know. Love you, bye. Yeah, right.
Okay, so we are now making our way back out. It's just a 9-mile hike. So it was like, 4.5 there, 4.5 back. So here we go. How are you feeling, Sarah?
Fantastic. Thank you. How are you feeling?
Really great.
Awesome.
Just
Nice
working
trail.
our way back out this trail. It's really nice. I mean,
It's awesome.
absolutely beautiful. You can see what we see.
We look like we're in Hawaii.
I mean, it's
A
like
little bit
MASH
drier.
up in here. Look at all these MASH mountains.
Such a mash. We're mashing it in the mash
It's a MASH
scene.
trail.
We're mashing it up.
It's been really great, and we haven't seen any naked men in the waterfall.
No naked men.
We were promised something that we didn't get. I don't care how old he was. I wanted to see that.
I'm very happy.
I mean, did I?
We did.
Okay,
Half
so
naked.
we're out of here. We're heading out, and it's just been a really great trail. This is definitely one to like take your friends that want to go on a hike and they don't hike much. Like, this is a really good one for them. It might be,
It'll be a good challenge, but it's still worth it and doable.
yeah, for sure.
A little bit of all things.
It's got it all, but mostly it's got beauty. It's got beauty and it's got grace. Okay? So we're getting it.
What do you need in a trail? Aloha. Here she comes again. She's dancing beneath the stormy sky. Kinda like the way it is.
So we're on our last mile, and we're thinking it's going to be a dooz because so far our SJ Loop, those are always crazy.
SJs are always crazy.
San Juan,
We're
man.
in for a doozy with that San Juan.
Those San Juan Peak, San Juan
But
Loop.
we do like a loop, so
Well, we love a loop.
and we're gonna go do it. So we're turning this lollipop into a, well, the lollipop stick is turning into an official lollipop
Yes.
lollipop
Whatever she said.
loop.
So here we go on that.
Doing it.
We're doing it. Wish us luck. We'll be fine. It's still absolutely gorgeous out here. Look at this cool wood right here. Whoa. Got wood.
Features.
Ooh. Amazing. Look at this guy right here. It's gonna be. Okay, so we're back, and we were waiting for that last mile to be a real doozy,
Really waiting for it.
and it wasn't. And then like we got back and we were like, wait, that hike was supposed to be like 1,570 elevation gain,
Not
and
square feet.
not square feet, because I got like 15 square feet. No, and also 9.10
9.1 miles.
miles, which it was. It ended up being that.
It was both of those things,
Yeah.
but somehow we did not feel that.
Did not feel that way
We were
at all.
waiting for the push, and there was no.
Clearly,
real
by our pink
push.
cheeks, you can tell it was a little warm, for sure.
We
But
did get a little toasty,
no, man, this was
but
like
it felt amazing.
really amazing.
Water the whole time, features the whole time.
Oh, it was beautiful.
Just amazing.
Absolutely beautiful. Covered canopy. The whole area was just like
Wildflowers
oh,
everywhere.
the most beautiful wildflowers.
Boulders popping in
It
the
was
hills.
just, it was gorgeous, and just not as hard as I thought it would be.
No, it really
Right?
wasn't. Yeah, don't mind the river over there. Just
Yeah.
got some wild ones.
We had some, but really good hike. I definitely highly recommend it, even for kids. It might be a little push for kids, but I don't.
Not too
Maybe
bad.
not.
There's
because
enough.
kids are great.
I think there's enough spots to like go soak your feet or
Yes.
go like chill in the river in the shade and take a break. Like
I mean, you could go hang out at that waterfall all day.
all day. Yeah,
It's so beautiful.
it was gorgeous. Yeah.
And
Big fan.
yeah,
I
it
would
was
invite.
just,
I would invite anybody on that.
Yeah.
Basically.
that was a good one. I mean, I think that it's actually one of those, and we were talking about this earlier, that I would do again.
I would definitely do it again.
Which there's not that many hikes that I would do again. You know, like they're great and all, but like one's enough. But this one, I could definitely see doing again, for sure,
Yeah.
for sure.
All thumbs up on that one.
Beautiful, amazing. Chiquito Falls.
Chiquito Falls to Chiquito.
Oh, San
Trail
Juan
to
Loop.
Chiquito Falls. And
Something
it's
like
basically like you go out and then you come back on that and it does a little loop, which is where we thought the push was, and it was fine. And then that's it.
It was just kind of a good little all day, like this the whole time,
Rumbling
out and back.
hills.
There's a little rumble in the jungle, but pushed through.
She pushed through. Everything was great. I
We
got
did
one
it.
wet foot. It doesn't even feel soggy.
Oh yeah,
It was refreshing.
yeah, it was great. So yeah, so now we're
All in
just
all, we
we're doing
recommend it.
this, and now we're done. So we're gonna head home.
We're gonna go eat some tacos about it.
Tacos.
That's what we like to do after we hike on Wednesdays.
Okay.